Your texts of own choosing are everything. They're actually more important than your prescribed text. Why? They make you stand out. If a marker is marking the entire marking centre, your centre for example, and every student have the same related text, how boring is that? They can't mark you down. They're not allowed to. They're going to mark you for what you've done with it. But let's play the game well. Let's choose text well. Choose text that you're passionate about. That's what matters more than anything. Discerning choice of related material. I'm just going to mention a couple of texts that would be so easy with Discovery to use. If you love reading, then novels really do stand out. They're a challenge, though, in that short time. So, for example, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is a really great old text. So is Great Expectations. I love Great Expectations because you've got planned discovery, rediscovery. You've got unexpected and provocative discoveries. Colin McCann, Teach You to Write, Let the Great World Spin is fabulous. Ian McEwan, he's just done a new one called The Children's Act, fabulous. And you could have looked at Paul Harding's Tinkers. Poetry, by the way, if you're not studying poetry, is so easy because you can put it in your room on your wall and learn it. You can actually even play it back and listen to it. You can record it yourself. For example, Margaret Atwood's Journey to the Interior is absolutely beautiful discovery. You can look at Shelley's Ozymandias. You can look at Lord Byron's Darkness, Keats on first looking at Chapman's Homer, and the list goes on. You can use new poets like Carol Ann Duffy, the American poet, or Billy Collins. Film only if you're really good at analysing visual text and you're able to talk about film techniques, not just language techniques. So Cloud Atlas, David Mitchell, even his novel's great. Pan's Labyrinth is one of my favourite. It's quite stunning. Apocalypse Now, for those students who like war films, has got the best establishing sequence in any film ever made, and it's brilliant for self-discovery. You can even look at The Counterfeiters or any of Hitchcock's films in terms of a great text. If you're an art student, why not look at Charles Blackman, Alice in Wonderland series? You could do 2 of his paintings. You've also got some brilliant scientific paintings like Joseph Wright, Experiment on a Bird in the Air Pump, or The Astronomer by Vermeer, or Rembrandt, The Anatomy Lesson of Nicholas Tulp.